So now we will talk about the grid layout. Again, I am going there in the layout folder, try to create a new one here, new layout resource, so we know how to change that things. So we can simply say that our grid underscore layout, and here we can have a grid layout, the default root thing. Okay, inside that particular text view, if I just try to put things here, one more thing I want to do here is uh, putting some picture as a resource here. Right now we don't have anything here, so I'm just trying to put over there so you know how to do that. So what I can do here, go into my folder, I will show you. So we have this thing here, so we have some image resources here. Okay, so what I am doing, we have this Donatello, these are the Ninja Turtle characters. I'm just copying it. Right click on that and copy the 4 items and then come back here. I right click on that particular drawable folder and then I say that I want to paste items here. Last time I think we were struggling here. It was not shown. So it quickly show me that particular drawable folder. I say yes, and then here it is again asking me, do you want, I mean, because we are putting the multiple things, if it is not the multiple things, it will show me that particular name. Sometimes we give that particular resource name, but right now we are putting 4 items. So again it's asking me where you want to put. If we look at that, we have that Donatello. Now if I say that I want uh, row count, I say 4. I want to make it 4, and column count, maybe I say again 4. So we are saying that we will have 4 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and then I am just saying that I want to put an image view. Okay, image view. Okay, where is my that particular width property? Automatically it should ask me. If I say that I want to put what, 50 dp, and then I want to put height, again 50 dp, and then I put that particular specific source, and I can select the Donatello. So look, Donatello is coming down here. So look, it's already, I mean, if you do that, it is divide that thing into multiple parts, 4 columns, 4 rows, and so on. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just trying to copy paste this particular item and see what is the default behavior. By default, it is going into this direction. Always fill the first, and then if I just try to do that, look at that. First it is filling those rows and then going to the next row. Now I go and change that particular orientation. What is the orientation? Orientation, maybe vertical. Look at that. If it is a vertical, first it will try to fill the columns and then go to the next column. But so if I say that horizontal, it will first try to cover the rows and then go to the next one. Is it clear? And I can also make some gravity here, like I say gravity, not layout gravity. Here we don't have that particular specific layout gravity center. It does not make anything because this is the what you can say that that's apply on the itself. But what we want, and if we can, like this thing automatically come inside it. But let me increase that particular size first so that it is much more visible. 100, 100. Okay, let me control C and then change these things automatically. Pasting of course multiple time, control V, V, Control V. Now it's going a little bit out of screen. Okay. What happen if I paste more than? Yeah, it's going up. Even we are saying that. Even we are saying that we will have the 4 rows. Huh? We will have the 4 rows, but it say that no. Vertically, I can not go out of that 4 column, but rows, if you are putting more things, it will go down. Columns will remain same. Okay. Now I want few things here. I just try to delete a lot of things here. I don't want them. So we have things here. So now I can put one more image, and then here I say that layout or row, not row, layout row. Which row? Row number 4. Okay, and layout, I say column. I want to put in the 4th column. No, it's not accepting me. What's saying that? The column attribute exceeds the declared grid. Ah, okay. So actually, it start with 0 value, 0 index value. Remember, it skip out of my mind. 0 index value. So we can say that 4 row, but that should be 3. 0, 1, 2, 3. So if I do that, why it is not going there? I want it on the 4th row, or maybe I can say 3rd row. Look, it's going there. 3rd row, because we have defined 0, 1, 2, 3. 4 is like something which is not there unless and until we put more items over there. I can make 2, okay, or I can make it like 2 here, or 1 here, or 0 here. So I can give that particular specific position where you want to put that in that grid layout. But of course, we have to tell in the beginning that 4, so 0, 1, 2, 3 possible values. Column count 0, 1, 2, 3 possible values. If we have given something like this, then it will not accept the things which are outside it. If we're putting something outside, it will not move over there. It will just put at that last position where whichever is available. But if we are giving it within the range, it will automatically shift the values. So we can have different values. Again, we have Donatello. We also have Michelangelo. If I just try to make thing wrap content, wow. I try to move it into the 0 position. Actually, it is going out of that particular width, but actually, yeah, look at that. Now we can only see this. These are the small one. Okay, fine. So that become the first column, and the second column, third column, fourth column, they go out of the screen automatically. Columns are there, but they are going out of the screen. So this is our grid layout. Okay, and let me close that video before it becomes too long.